All right. The Ubezi, I believe is how you say it, river that leads to one of the wonders of the world, which I will see later today. This is better than where I've been. Let me tell you. Give me a break. Give me some time away. Y'all, this sign right here is not funny. Y'all see that? Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear her, but she's screaming. Oh, she's a Superman. Oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome to Zambia. Where is she? Superman is back. You surprise us.